Hello, welcome into the world of MKCL LearniCo. A world for every teacher, every learner, every institute, and every parent. Let's see how education happens in this world. The biggest revolution here is the distinct way in which classrooms are functioning. Here, passionate teachers create the most engaging and effective content for their students. LearniCo helps them to design the most beautiful presentations in the easiest manner. Or they may even choose to embed their existing presentations or documents in it. Addition to content slides, LearniCo facilitates them to ask a variety of questions, such as MCQ, MCMQ, paragraph sequencing, classification. With each question asked in a classroom, immediately teacher can understand how many students, with how much confidence, have given correct answers. The teacher selects near amp, far for each option in question, which ultimately helps the teacher to understand each student distinctly. Interestingly, the teacher here doesn't just stop at asking objective types of questions, but in the same lecture, she further goes deeper by asking open-ended questions, where LearniCo provides her with the power to make an instantaneous check about what's exactly going inside the student's mind. Each slide amp, each question is mapped against specific topic amp, unit of relevant subjects teaching plan. The teacher can even map each unique question to specific Bloom's taxonomy level, difficulty level, or any other report parameter, such as mapping course outcomes amp, program outcomes right at the question creation level, using which the institute automatically receives specific analytical reports for each student. Beyond classroom experience, teacher shares her notes, model answers, important questions, ebooks, audiobooks with students. Students download that material and study at home. And the best part of this solution is you can experience all these activities, online as well as in offline mode. If you are good at internet connectivity, carry on with online classes where things like video-audio conferencing, live chat, annotations, whiteboard, and interactive question types provide you seamless experience. On top of that, the teacher also records her lectures so students who could not attend the class, or if any student wants to refer to the same lecture again, it's always available in their login. Later, at any time, you can choose to carry on with the same setup and continue in offline mode using MKCL's own hardware. In this way, from syllabus management to content creation, from instantaneous classroom interactivity to resource sharing with students, from the virtual classroom experience through inbuilt conferencing tools to the Institute's access to analytical AMP dynamic reports, all the time is all done by LearniCo. LearniCo connects every single dot required for the teaching learning process, and hence it is conceived as a one-stop solution for everything that an institution must need. To try now, please visit learnico.mkcl.org. Register yourself and experience a free version of it. In case of specific any queries or inquiries, please write us to @learnico@mkcl.org. Thank you.